MLAs, elected representative want so and so officer to be in so and so police station. Now, if you are going to have such a political policing, then why have a police station?
Exactly.
All this has to be removed. See, you go to see the main police station, whether it's Panji, Ponda, Mapsa, Vasco, there is less policemen. You go to the border police station, massive, over and above.
Oh, this is something new.
No, you just make an assessment. What is the sanctioned strength and what is the overall strength in these places?
Mostly the seashore areas, no? Kalangut. Then ती सबंध पैसे आशिल्ले ते tourism belt. Lucrative belt.
So, if strengthen these stations, Panjim is the main, your heart.
Exactly. एक दरोडे पडटा एक व्हडल्या बंगल्याचेर ते 3 म्हयन्यांनी येतात परत दरोडे काडटात परत वतात भायर.
Other this thing. See, this can be done with the existing force. Next, there are massive crowds come to Miramar. Massive crowds comes to Dona Paula.
Yes.
In Panjim city itself.
Okay. Good point.
Do you see the police presence over there?
No.